Good morning. Wow, so peaceful. So, looks like it is very cloudy. No sunrise this morning. It's lucky. It looks like it's probably gonna rain today. Yeah. Anyhow, next morning up, I have laundry in the wash, and I am getting ready to mop the floors. This is my little start of the morning. Hope you all are enjoying your morning. What time do you rise and what do you do? Been up for a little bit, trying to get some devotion in and quiet time. Now it's time to go to work. Sunrise and coffee time. We're getting there. This is why I wake. Just blessed to be able to see this each day. Never take the day for granted. Laundry flow. Need some flowers? Yeah. Thank you. Keep it. You don't need to keep the lizards. It's a boy. What color? Gray? No. Brown? The other one is brown? Yeah, it's that. A green and a brown one? And you can buy me some flowers too?
He went inside the wall like the house. I took a broken antler and I fixed antler.
Nice. Let me see what. Hold it up.
It makes noise.
Oh boy. Fine. Tariq, what you find? What'd you find? What kind of plant did you find? Cactus? That's Aaliyah's? Okay, thank you. Okay.
She needs a roller.
She'll come get it on in a little bit. Here you Yeah, this is happening. Kids are excited for their rare treat. Let me get these back in here. Friday. I think it's Friday the 14th. July 14th. I think so. Yeah, I think that's what it is.
I said waiting.
Be cooled off now, so I'm ready to eat. Yep, cooled off. Nice and cool.
It's not cool. You need the towel. the mom. This is the daddy. This is the kid. This is the baby.
That's the baby. So apparently she has built a math family because, oh boy, that's what happens when you do hands-on math. In her math book, she was doing ordering greatest to least. So we did this. She built them and put the trains on there, and then I had her take them all off of both problems
these?
and order them.
Can I color these?
You can color them now. Color the number that it says. And so she ordered them.
3?
Greatest to least. How many does it say color here? 10. All right, so color 10. And then we looked at them from least to greatest. But this is the family, the mom, the dad, the kids, and the babies. Right in imagination. Or whatever floats her boat. So she's doing her math.
1, 2,
This
3,
is grade 1.
4.
Texas math. That's what she's working on. We've been doing a couple other things in between, but for the most part she is working through her book.
Is this 10?
Now how many are you supposed to color here?
8.
That's the number 3.
3.
Yes, color 3. 3 cube train right here.
1, 3.
Only 3. Now how many in the next one?
8. 2.
How many? 1.
1.
That's a 1. It's only color 1. And you want to get a different crayon and do problem number 2?
Yeah.
Okay, get a different color crayon and do problem number 2.
Purple.
Okay. How many do you need to color? 8.
1.
Good job. Yes, have them count as they go.
6, 7, 8.
Only 8. All right, go to the next one. How many do you need to color?
3, 4.
4.
3.
Go to the next one. How many do you need to color?
3.
How many?
1, 2.
2.
1, 2.
Awesome sauce. Good job. Good job. So here, her vocabulary, her math vocabulary, greatest to least. Ordering numbers. These are math talk. So we probably won't do this. Is kind of the same thing and extend the activity. And then over here starts some bird problems. So we will work on this tomorrow. I need to get ready to get some dinner made. But she has two problems. It's either 2 or 3 pages of word problems. Or, yeah, problem solving. Yeah, that's it. Because I've mapped it out already in my lesson plan book. So I know what I have her doing the next week. She has a test coming up somewhere about Friday, Saturday.
I was doing that.
Try to keep it on the line. What's the next word? B? does. Good job. Not. Work. You can go to this line. Put your punctuation. What's your punctuation at the end of the sentence?
Period.
Put it on there. What does the calendar say? I need to change the date. Today is the 7/11. I think it's the 11th. I don't know. I think it's the 11th. I think I put up yesterday. It's not the 11th, it's the 12th, but I think I put it up. Alright, we'll do this. So this is quite a long packet. I think I put...
It's in the wrong packet.
You're not doing all of it today. We're going to read through this page and then just add the commas. There's something different. And I think the way I ordered it.
You ordered it?
The way I wrote it in my book, in my plan. Yeah, this is quite a long page. So we're just going to read through this and then we will add the commas and then you'll be done with your grammar for today.
We're going to do it right now.
Right now. And then, oh boy, you have finished, look at it, you've been sitting here for what, 15 minutes? You finished math, you almost finished grammar. We're going to do some reading and spelling and you'll be finished. Until we work on some other things together. And you came right in this morning and got started. Great attitude, okay? Sit up. We can do this, right? Teamwork? Oh, no teamwork. What is that attitude? Are you trying to earn your Peacock Award this week? You're not? So, you are not trying to earn the 10 Peacock Awards for your fidget spinner? So when everybody else gets their 10?
I want to get one now.
Well, you need to do your work. Oh, here comes Tariq. So you need to have a positive attitude so you can earn your Peacock Award this week. So what does the word migrate mean?
That means when you go to a new place.
Who goes to a new place?
Birds.
Good job. So see, that only took 2 minutes. And you did that already. Give me 5. All right. You got an A on that page. Is that an A plus?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got an A plus on it. Good job. I don't have my pen right here, but I'm going to use this crayon right here. A plus for today. See that?
Yeah.
Make you feel better?
Yeah.
Turn the page. You put that in put it back in your folder. Put your packet in your folder. Put it back here. because you're going to do your sentences for this week, even though I think we skipped last week. That's why I put that date on there. So we're going to skip. You want to do your sentence or you want to wait?
I want to do it.
Okay. Period after abbreviation. So look at the sentence. What do we talk about an abbreviation is? Like, it's a short word for a long word.
Yeah.
Like instead of United States, we say USA, period.
Yeah.
So we have an abbreviation in this sentence. Our music teacher is Mrs. Marino. So we are going to put a period after Mrs. Mrs. period, right?
Yeah.
So anytime we have Ms., Mrs., Mr., Doctor, we will put periods after that because that's called an abbreviation. That doesn't really spell a word, does it?
Yeah.
So we have to use an abbreviation. All right, so you're only doing number one. Here's your sentence. You're only doing number one today. Our. Start on that one. Capital. Remember to leave your spacing.
Yes.
Music. And use your good handwriting. Teacher. Here, right here. Good. No, but wait, scoop just a little bit. There you go.
Blah, 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 blah. Can you draw some on? Can you write a word story so I know?
Hmm?
Can you write a word so I know what you're saying?
Teacher.
Where can you draw the eyes? These are the eyes. The eyes are in. This is. Yeah. This is.
Stay on the line.
Right here. Oh,
Space is right on the other side of the pencil. Don't space it too far. Yeah, right there.
You want to like purple, but you're wearing purple socks.
Good. Capital. Good job.
And then some of it, and you're wearing purple pants and white. Now I'm wearing blue pants.
You'll have to keep it down. Put your period after your Mrs. Marino. Excuse me. Punctuation mark. Now, do you like this way, writing it on this sheet or writing it in your notebook? Remember you were copying off the whiteboard? You like it better in here?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it better in here. It looks neater than copying it to the notebook. So I will just make copies. It's not a big deal, but it looks neater to me. Alright. Alright, you're done with this one. You may, I don't think you have anything else. We'll do vocabulary notebook later. That's old work. You don't have anything else in here. You're done with grammar for today. One thing you haven't done is spelling. Tariq.
Yes.
Grammar.
Hold on with grammar, please. Purple.
You piggy.
Mom. Just trying to get you, man, so you can get caught by Mom's room. What? I have to go on the name.
Good job. Been to Miss Chill's ice cream shop with your eyes. There they go.
I made it by myself.
I know you did a great job with your mask. Now you all can act out the story. Make a play. You all love to have plays.
Yeah.
And your brother say you in here rocking out.
The first was bothering me.
It's time to rock out to the bed though, right?
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh. We've been up too long. You know what time it is?
Why don't these keys work?
Because those are the drum keys.
Huh?
Those are the percussion keys. They have to be set to
These
percussion.
are not.
Yeah, have to be set to the drum keys and then it'll work. It's time to rock out to the bed, y'all. Where did I say that at? You must have the wrong mama.
No, we don't. We don't have the wrong mom.
You don't have the wrong mama. It's time to go to bed, little girl.
Okay. No.
No, what? Whose child are you?
No one.
No one's. Oh, yeah. That's what I thought. Because my kids don't tell me no. Mama don't take no for answer. All right, I'm going to shut it down. It's time to shut the house down. Tomorrow.
I don't want to do it tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar tomorrow. Let's go to bed.